Today, I'm going to show you how to do a very basic service on a 2023 Husqvarna TE250. First things we want to do is get it warm. Now if yours has a skid plate, next thing you want to do is get that removed. Next, position your oil pan underneath the engine. Then just underneath your gear stick here is the bolt to drain the oil. Undo that. Make sure any washers don't fall off into your oil pan. And while your oil's draining, take off your oil fill cap. It'll just help the flow of the oil. We then put the plug back in. We give it a nip, or refer to your owner's manual for the torque setting. Next, we take this little 8mm bolt out, which is your level check bolt for your oil. We get the oil pan back underneath. And we're going to be using the Motorbike TE250 40 motor oil top speed. Then get a second person to stand your bike up straight. And then we just pour the oil in until it comes out of the check hole. Elsa, say hello.
Hello. Stop. It only put my car.
Give it a little nip. Put the oil cap back on. And then run the engine. And that's your basic service on a Husqvarna TE250 2023.